Welcome everybody to the overview video of Maker Tycoon. First of all, the shop. We got the machine area, got a model 3D printer, just kind of real basic. Got some quality settings that you can set for the machine. After I implement it, it'll basically make it so the product will either take longer or shorter to create. And then got a calibration and maintenance factor. So over time, your calibration and maintenance will lower, so either the machine will break down or it'll print lower quality. I haven't implemented any of the menu yet. The products, basically the current products that you have developed, and then you can run the machines from this menu. I haven't implemented it yet, but the same menu will be for the post-processing station, the finishing station, and the assembly station. Computer system, just real basic. I wanted to make it simple desktop. I'll have programs for ordering, inventory, a product creator, a product program, and a market analysis program. The ordering system is kind of like an online ordering catalog. In the future, I'll have graphics of the product. You'll add the parts to the cart. Right now, it's just a real simple number system. And then when you submit the order, everything kind of clears out. In the inventory, the white numbers are what you currently have in your inventory. The red numbers are what you have on order. That way you have a visual of knowing how many are coming in the next time your order comes in. Right now, if you click it, it'll just add to the order. I just have it hotkeyed to the return key. So at the end of the day, your orders are fulfilled and it adds it to your inventory. I have a button that clears out the item in your inventory, and when it's completely gone, it disappears because it's no longer in your inventory. When you go to order it again, it'll just add it to the on order. It still doesn't pop up in your inventory until you've advanced the day and the item still comes in. Product creator is still a little bit work in progress. So you can create something, add a name to it. The product type will just be like a complexity. So it'll basically be just an integer from 1 to whatever the highest is. And it'll just make it more or less complex. The quality is the same thing, it's from 1 to 6. And then how many machine parts is how many parts you'll actually have to create for it. And then the components will be the components that are required in order to assemble it. When you create it, it'll add it to your product list. These are just the products that I pre-created when the program started. And then that new product at the bottom is what we just created. So you can see it requires processor board, light board, and 2 LED lights, and then the 2 machine parts. So the number on the right is how many is required, number on the left is how many you have in inventory. We'll just assign a machine to 3D print the part. Yellow light means it's ready. When we click the machine, it'll start printing it. Real simple, but it works. The light flashes yellow when it's done. You click it, it sends it to your inventory. Part turns yellow when it's been machined. I'm going to speed this up, make it real quick. And I don't have any graphics or anything for the post-processing or finishing, but it advances the parts through that process. And you can see when you assemble the item, it pulls those components from the inventory. Just a real simple market system. I just have it on an equation that lowers the sales by a certain percentage every day. As you can see, I got pre-drawn lines for set amounts. If the sales go off the screen, it has a scroll bar so you can actually scroll across. Obviously, I need to add day marks so you can tell how many days it's been on the market. I'll just show you how the quick menu works with the machines to create parts. As you machine parts, they get taken off the list, so the next parts you have is 1, 2, and 4. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you follow along. Thanks.